program is coming to an end as the way that it has been the couple of years. It's changing to something new. This means that if you've been making a bit of money with your Canvas affiliate program and you're not taking action, this is coming to a stop. You need to get into action and do something about it. Canva has written emails to all existing affiliates. However, if you've missed the email, go look for Canva affiliates, find it. Otherwise, there is a website that you can go and apply and become a Canvassador. I hope I'm pronouncing this correctly. Meaning you're going to be part of creators that create Canvas content, and within that there are benefits. Lucky for me, I have been accepted. I am now a Canva Empower Canvassador. I'm an ambassador of Canva, which is called Canvassador. And there are perks that you get as a Canvassador. So I'm going to send you to this link in the description below. Then you can go and apply if you share Canvas content, and you can look at the terms and conditions of what a Canvassador is all about and what you need to do. So there's details about what the program is all about, who makes a great Empower Canvassador, which platform do they work with, and what are the requirements in order for you to be a Canvassador, and then what are the perks of being part of the Empower Canvassador, as well as how do you need to join. So it says here that applications will reopen in March. That's a month away. So diarize it and make sure that you join and you apply following the terms and conditions of being a Canvassador. So if you love affiliate marketing and you love Canva and you love Canva's community value, I suggest you put it in your diary and make sure that you join. Otherwise, you're going to be losing a substantial amount of money. And when it comes to being an affiliate of this beautiful brand, you're going to be losing out. Thanks for joining me on this video. I hope to see you as part of the Canvassador because I'm one of them. I appreciate that you watched all through. I will see you on our next video.